debunking the markets for the week beginning 25th January. The kiss and miss at 50,000 for the Sensex would be fresh in everyone's mind. Immediately, the timeline predictions for the next kiss at 100,000 have also started pouring in. Amidst this enthusiasm, if I were to borrow a term used by the RBI governor in one of his earlier monetary policy statements, being Panglossian leaves a feel-good factor. But should this be attempted at turning a blind eye to the stark realities? In the US, within hours of changing the baton, the Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin has emphatically put their priority on Afghanistan through heightened affinity towards Pakistan, pulling back all the entente that Trump and Modi have been building up during the last 4 years. Similarly, the Warren Buffett's cautionary benchmark of the aggregate market capitalization exceeding the GDP has also been cited. The Reserve Bank governor has categorically cautioned that foreign inflows should not be taken to be everlasting. At the same time, this month's RBI bulletin carries a well-researched paper which surmises that the GDP growth is within sighting distance of turning positive. So, make your choice to be a Panglossian or a pessimist. Last Friday, both the indices, NSE as well as Sensex, identically lost 1.5%. And options volatility was also elevated, with VIX remaining above 23. Based on the discussion paper on NBFCs released on Friday evening by RBI, some amount of consolidation can be expected in the NBFC sector, with RBI pitching in for heightened regulatory rigor or supervisory rigor and demanding higher Tier 1 capital. Among the pharma stocks, Dr. Reddy's lost 3.37% during the week. However, on the technical side, the formation of a spinning top with long shadows combined with a lower RSI at 40 could portend to a price reversal in the short term for this stock. The Reserve Bank governor has openly stated that RBI will not shy away from mopping up foreign inflow of dollars to keep appreciation of the home currency under check. Against this background, rupee closed at 72.98, with the dollar index, Brent crude as well as gold remaining little moved during the week. The week ahead of the budget, rupee could be seen trading closer to 73.50 than chances of dipping below 73. In the bond market too, RBI was seen in full might on Friday, with their rejecting all the bids for the 9,000 crore auction of 10-year government bonds. The seesaw between the traders, the bond traders, and the RBI is sounding or turning to be interesting. But during the week, RBI has been able to pull back the rising yields. With expectations of a dream budget, have an interesting week ahead.